Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the background wallpaper on your notes in your Google Keep. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the background wallpaper in Google Keep? You can just open your Google Keep and just have any notes. So here I just going to type as editing app, like that. So you will see an option called theme symbol near the plus symbol. On downside it will show this, and there is a lot of background color, but you can't import your image as a background. So there is a lot different default backgrounds, you can just choose it. So like this. So you can also choose this for different things. So you can just have about the notes, particular notes. So this is an important note, and this is another type of list of work notes. You can just make as like that. You can just mention it by using this background wallpaper. So you can easily pick if you're having 50 notes, you can just pick a different colors of set of wallpapers for the particular notes, and you can just easily pick from your organizer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.